joining. So again, I just want to apologise for the mess in the background because we are currently going through some house renovations, which just feels like it's taking for ages and ages. It's not even a word, for ages. It's taking long, but please just bear with. I might even put some squiggles down the side so you can just kind of eject that side. But yes, so today we're going to be making proposal boxes for the groomsmen. Now I can't lie, this was a little bit harder than the girls because unlike girls, you can't really put little lip glosses in there, little hand cream, little bits. Men don't really like that kind of stuff, so it was a little bit harder. And with my other half, he's very particular. He didn't want any smellies, he didn't want any shower gels, he didn't want anything that was a bit too girly. He says it. I don't know. But do you know what? We got there in the end, and I'm gonna talk to you about what we're gonna put in the boxes and where I got them from, just like last time. Okay, so first things first is the box. This box was from Paper Chase. It was £4.50, and I can't lie, I struggled to find a black box. All the other boxes were either colourful or white. Now, my other half was specific. He only wanted a black box. And with the size, you'll notice that it's a little bit smaller than the girls' boxes, only because there's less things to put in, and we wanted to keep them a bit more compact for the boys. So they are £4.50 from Paper Chase. We also got these cute, oh, where are you going? Cute little socks. It's got their names on, can you see that? It's got their names on and their roles in the wedding. So these were from Etsy. They were 6 for £18, and obviously they're personalised, so that was a bonus. We also got, wait for it, Hennessy, because obviously all the groomsmen love a bit of Hennessy, and I just think the bottle's so cute. This was £6.99 from the corner store. Look at me sounding all American. From the corner shop. £6.99. You can't go wrong with a bit of Henny. Now we also, my favourite part of all boxes, chocolates. Now you'll notice that 2 have been missing. 2 are missing because I ate them. You know me, I love chocolates. The Ferrero Rochers, you can't go wrong. What, they were from Asda, and they range between £4 to £5 actually, because they're not cheap. One of the groomsmen is actually 16, and I do not like to encourage children to drink, so instead of the Hennessy, we got him a few Ted Baker smellies. Now my other half didn't like smellies, but he'd given up. I won him round, because what else can you get, you know? So we got him a few smellies, Ted Baker. They were in the Christmas special for £12, so not too bad, because Ted Baker's quite expensive, sorry. So for £12, that's pretty good. And then last but not least, we also got a cigar for each of them. They probably won't smoke it, but it looks good, you know? So we added a little cigar just to pump it up a little bit. And that's all that's going in the boxes. I also wanted to get a little shot glass, but they didn't come in time. Maybe when they do come, I might just slide them in the box, you never know. But another thing I would recommend for the groomsmen boxes, I love the idea of obviously socks. I think that was my first actual purchase for the boxes. I also think things like a little bow tie, maybe even a tie. Again, I love the idea of sunglasses, but some people like my other half don't like sunglasses. And just obviously it's really hard to beef it up without spending a lot of money, so I would just keep the box small so you don't have to put that many things in there. Right, let's get started. Let's make these boxes. Right, so I've printed all my bits. bits, and now we're just going to laminate them. So I'm so sorry about the noise from the laminator, it's so annoying, but it does the job. So let's just laminate these to protect all the artwork from any spillages, food, any of that kind of stuff. So here goes. I'm also using a Fellows laminator that's a Jupiter 2, and it also does A3, even though I haven't even used the A3 yet. And then they go along with these little Fellows laminating pouches too, A4 for 100 sheets. I can't remember how much they are, but Amazon. If in doubt, Amazon. So let's go. So now we've got all our bits laminated, let's get to cutting. So I'm not going to literally cut all these for you, I'm just going to do one because it's just going to take too long otherwise. So let's just do a best man one for now. We've got all our bits cut out. I do not like squared edges. On the proposal part I don't mind because obviously they're not going to be touching that, but these are going to be like floating around the box, so I kind of want to make these a rounded edge, because if you check my other video you'll notice that I'm not a fan of sharp edges, especially when people have kids. Hello, they could get hurt. So I'm just going to corner off these edges and stick some double-sided sticky tape to these so they can go on the box lids inside. So well, let's get started, hey? Okay, so these are all done. I'm just going to put some double-sided sticky tape on the back of these. We're going to grab our lid, it's the inside of the lid, take our sticky bits off here like so. Boom. And then we're going to place it carefully centered in there like so. And boom, there's our lid. So they're going to open it like, will you be my best man? Of course I will. Blah, blah, blah. Just like so. Right, but first of all, we need to put the name on the boxes. So let's do that next. Right, so we've done all our measurements. I've cut my paper to size, and now we are ready to get this thing cutting. So let's go. And it would help if it was on. So let's get cutting. Now remember before, well you might not remember to be fair. Oh, sorry about this loud noise. In my, when I was making the bridesmaids names, I had to change the dial of my cry cut to a little bit stronger because I think my blade's going, so just be wary of that on your cry cut machines. They always say put it on vinyl, but I always put it on iron because I feel like that gives a bit more of a nice cut, and to be fair my blade is going down, 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 so that's probably why. We've got them all cut. You probably can't see because it's obviously white, but I'm just literally going to cut one out and then start to take out the excess parts that we really do not need. So you want to get rid of everything except for the actual name. Do you remember? And vinyl is very, very tricky because it's permanent as well, so you've got to be very careful. Some people on YouTube make this look so easy. It's not easy. It's really not. So if you're struggling, trust me, you're not the only one. Perfect. Can you see that? Can you see that? Boom. Now let's get the box and try and put it on the lid. But again, let's just quickly text our other half because I don't know if he wants it in the middle or on the right. I think that looks quite nice. Yeah, I think that looks better. I think the girly way is the middle and then boys should go to the bottom right. I would have put a full stop there as well, but you know, time. Let's quickly check in with hubby. We're all checked in and bottom right it is. So I'm just gonna literally, people always say bend in, but we don't need to because his name's not that long. And I'm gonna put it about there. Boom, bada, boom, boom, boom. How nice does that look? So again, we'll just scratch it all down and make sure it's all sticking okay. Scratch it all down, make sure it's okay, no air bubbles. That is not what we want. We're not a fan of air bubbles. Okay, so now we should be able to just peel this off. And boom, just like that, we've got a name. Before he likes this, all the effort, you best watch my video too. When he opens it, he'll open the box and it'll be that way. I just think that looks a bit more, it kind of goes more, I don't know. Maybe it's just me being extra, but I like it like that. So boom, so that's the lid. Now let's get to making the inside of the box. So we're gonna take the box, they all come with this little, you know, those little, keep that in there because it'll keep it fresh, I think. So hubby wanted black tissue, which is fine, but I wanted to bulk it up a bit with white tissue underneath. Now the tissue paper's £1. You can get 10 sheets from Hobbycraft. You know, Hobbycraft's my go-to, so it's so worth it. So I would put, sorry, I'm so noisy. I would put 2 white sheets in just for protection. Just gonna do that now. Whoa, sorry there, shaking now. So scrumple it up, scrumple. I'm lying. No, I'm not lying. I am lying, sorry. Okay, because I want tissue to go over the top as well, and we want it to all be black, I'm gonna put firstly a black layer of tissue, just for the lining. Because if hubby sees white, he's gonna moan, and I can't take the moaning. So we're just going to layer it with some black tissue. To be fair, we'll probably put another black one on top anyway. And then I'm going to shove it with some white tissue. Just like so. And do you know what? We probably only need 1 white tissue. We're going to put another black tissue in there so it looks like that's the filling. And the first things first I'm going to put in there is So boom. Maybe let's put it here. That looks quite cute. And then we are going to put, I can find it, socks. So I just want to turn that there as well, just so you can see the name and less of the sock. Put that next to there like so. And then I'm going to put our chocolates. So they get 2 chocolates each. I mean, they would have had 3, but I ate them. We'll put 2 there. And then, of course, not forgetting our cigar. And then we can just put the cigar just slanted like so. Let's put a chocolate there and a chocolate there. Yeah. So on top of that, don't forget our little bits. Then we're going to put that on top. And then we'll put a save the date on top as well. And then we're just going to fold this like so. It doesn't even have to be neat, to be fair, because we're just going to rip it open anyway. And what boy looks at the neatness? But I want this to be on the top. So we'll leave that there. And then we can put our lid on. Just like so. And that's it, that's our box. Bada bing, bada boom. And there we have it, proposal boxes for the groomsmen. They're so cute, I really do like these ones. To be fair, I like the bridesmaid ones as well, I like all of them. But thank you so much for watching, I really hope you've enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, tell all your friends, and of course subscribe if you want to see more. Again, look at the back, it's even more messy than we first started. You don't even want to see the floor. Let's not even go there. But either way, thank you again for watching. You are amazing. See you next time.